It's Mazaya bedtime, but Mazaya can't go to sleep because she just has a nightmare. So today I'm going to tell her a story about the lion and the mouse. One day, on a sunny day, there was a big lion sleeping under a tree. Suddenly, a little mouse came out to play. The little mouse jumped to the lion's neck and slipped down. But the lion woke up and hugged the little mouse. The little mouse was begging for mercy and said, "If you're kind to me, I'll be kind to you one day." The lion laughed so hard and started to mock the little mouse by saying, "There is no way a little mouse like you can do anything." The next day, the little mouse was out walking, and the little mouse noticed that the lion was tied to a tree. The little mouse had a brilliant idea. The little mouse ran up to the rope and started to kill the rope until the lion was free. The lion thanked the little mouse and they became best friends. The moral is don't judge people to think this because every person has their own story.